Hello.
Hello.
Hey, this is Komal.
Yes, I'm Komal and
I'm Rachna. Do you know?
Rachna. Sorry,
10th class friend.
10th class. Oh, Rachna.
हाउ आर यू? आई एम गुड। तो देखो माय डियर, आज हम आपको इस वीडियो के थ्रू ये सिखाना चाहते हैं कि हम फ़ोन पे बातें कैसे करते हैं। तो दे आर टू स्टूडेंट्स, कोमल एंड रचना, दे विल टीच यू। ये आज आपको सिखाएंगे कि हम जब लॉन्ग टाइम किसी अपने चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड से मिलते हैं तो फ़ोन पे इंग्लिश में कैसे बात करते हैं, क्योंकि ये इन्होंने कई सालों तक एक दूसरे का फेस नहीं देखा है। तो ये इमेजिन करेंगे कि आप कैसा लग रहे हैं और वॉइस कितनी बदल गई है। तो आज आप एक फ़ोन टॉक सीखेंगे कि हम फ़ोन पे कैसे बात करते हैं, और वो भी अपने चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड से लॉन्ग टाइम मीट, यानी बहुत साल बाद मिल रहे हैं। तो आई होप आप इस वीडियो को एंजॉय करेंगे। सो लेट्स।
Hello.
Hey, this is Komal.
Yes, I'm Komal and
I'm Rachna. Do you know?
Rachna. Sorry,
10th class friend.
10th class. Oh, Rachna.
Yeah.
In 10th class, we were reading on that time. How are you now?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also fine. So today I'm very glad because you called me after a long time. Your voice is totally changed. So,
Yeah, me too also. Okay, now where are you?
So now I'm living in Delhi. And where are you?
I'm living in Rajasthan.
Oh, Rajasthan. It's a beautiful place.
Yeah, so are you married now?
Yes, I'm married. And you?
Oh, yeah, me too also. So how means tell us about your husband, what he does.
Okay, so now he is a government employee and I have one girl child. And tell about yourself.
Oh, it's very coincident. I have also one child. She is also girl. And what's your child name?
So my child name is Preeti.
Oh, nice. My child name Aisha.
Oh, very beautiful name. So what
Yeah.
kind of the activity she do? She does.
She is very naughty really. She, whenever I try to give her to take food, she always make excuse. No mama, I don't want to eat. This kinds of excuse she always makes. What about your child?
Yeah, same things apply on my child because you know very well child is very naughty. We don't know what they will do in their life because now she is 3 years old. She do lots of activities she does. When I went to her school in last Saturday, ma'am scold very much more me. Ma'am said that you don't care your child, you do that kind of the thing. So like she is very naughty.
Yeah, you know, when I go, right now she is in play school, so whenever I go to their school, so that time their also teacher also says to me like your child is too much naughty, why you don't teach manners. She always makes some of the funs. She always try to make fun in the class. She always tease to students like she don't think about he is a boy, don't be think about this kinds of things. She always try to make fun in this class. So always their teacher also teach me this kinds of thing, why you don't give their ethics, manners. But I always teach her everything, but she always try to make excuse.
Yeah, same things apply on my child because we think that they are reading, but we are doing some any kind of the work, so they think that we can make the full or mama and the papa. They always think that thing.
Yeah.
And tell me about your family members. What kind of the things they are doing nowadays?
Okay, right now I am living in nuclear family. Only just my husband and my child. We are living in Rajasthan. And about my in-laws, so they are living in Delhi. We are here because right now he is a businessman. That's why we have to came here, and we are living nuclear. What about you?
Oh, as a businessman, because your husband is businessman, you go to here and there, and you did lots of trip in your time.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
Yeah, it's a very good sound. And you are living in nuclear family. So I want to tell about myself. So nowadays I'm living in the joint family because I have like the in-laws. There are so many in-laws in my house, and my house is very beautiful. Everyone has very good nature. And if I talk about my husband, so he is very cooperative. When I do anything in my life, so he always cooperate with me. And tell me about your previous memory. What did you do?
Okay, in my past time.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, it was great, but unfortunately, some of the reason I have to get married with very early because of some reason. But yeah, now as you said about your husband, he is cooperative. So about my husband, yeah, he is also cooperative, but somewhere he have to go somewhere, some others place for
this
their
thing happened
meetings.
because when we do anything, so this thing happened. Don't worry, because we are surviving our life. Definitely, we have to do lots of good work and the sacrifices. So Rasna, I want to share one moment. You remembered in the 10th class there was one girl, that name was Simran.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you know, she was very naughty on that time. We were sitting on bench and she was sitting our behind, and she was like snatching our things, and she will steal our things in our bag.
You know what? She always eat our lunch box. She always make some of the naughty things with us.
Yeah, after the holiday, when she came into the school, she did lots of activities on that time.
Yeah. Do you have her number?
No, I don't have number, but
Okay.
yeah, I have the number of Pinky, and Pinky is the friend of the Simran. So we will I asked to the Pinky in previous time. So Pinky sent me number on the time, but on that time my phone was lost, so I
Okay.
forget the things.
Okay, so we should make some of the plans. We should make right now, means after some time. Do you think?
Yes.
If you have a time, so we
Yeah,
can meet.
definitely I have time, because after a long time we are meeting. So definitely if I don't have time, definitely I will steal my time in my 24 hours. Maybe if you will say to me, you have to steal 2 days and the 4 days, definitely.
Okay, like Bhaiya Dooj is coming, so I'll come Delhi to celebrate with my brother. So definitely we will meet.
Yeah, we will meet, and I'll give you a very good treat on that time, because after a long time we are meeting. We will do lots of fun. Don't worry. I'll give
Yeah,
you my
definitely.
100%.
Will you go with me shopping?
Yes, because I love shopping, you know. In
Yeah.
our like the holidays time, when we went with our mama, so on that time we did different things, and they did different things also.
Yeah, definitely. But really, I wanna meet with you because when I got married, so that time I was searching your number, but unfortunately, I was not able to search. But because of some of the students, I got your number. Then I called you.
Oh, thank God you got my number. Because of you did some work. That's why we are talking nowadays. I'm very happy, because I can't explain my feelings, how I'm feeling now, because after a long time I listen your voice, and your voice is totally changed, because it's very a good thing for me. I can't share my feelings how I'm feeling.
Yeah, me too also. And tell us about your in-laws. They are cooperative with you or not?
Yeah, they are cooperative with me, but my mother-in-law is not good. So on that time I think that how can I solve these kind of the problems. So on that time when I completed whole work, on that time she scolded me. But nowadays, today I think that I will do this thing, but again she scolded me. So what will I do? Tell me.
Because of that reason I have to come Delhi in Rajasthan, because my in-laws also always make some of the excuse, because like I'm from yoga field, so I have to go in the morning for teaching. So that time they always make some of the excuse, why you go, you should take care of your child. This kinds of excuse they always make.
Same things
So,
apply on me, because
okay, if you like that video, so please share, subscribe,
and
thank you.
Thank you.